Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about Python operators. What we are going to discuss like arithmetic operators, assignment operator, comparison operator, identity operator and membership operator. This is a completely hands-on lab and this will be a learning session and I'm just going to start my PyCharm. So as we discussed, we have created couple of already videos related to the Pythons. So you can explore my playlist and Python playlist. So let's just start arithmetic operators. We usually aware about that arithmetic like plus, minus, addition, like addition, subtraction, multiply, division. These type of the arithmetic operators. Apart from that, we have a absolute value, like we will say floor division, exponential, power like, and modulus operators. These are this. So let's start. We have a declare one variables and just we are going to discuss. We just need to execute this command. So as we have executed, so first print 1 plus 2. So it's a addition, so that will be here is 3, output is 3, right? Second 1 minus 2, so minus 1. Implicitly that will be done, right? Okay, 2 into 2, that will be 4. 2 divided by 1, so that is 2. By default it converted in float, right? Hope you are able to understand. Print 2 divided by 0.5, so that is also coming in 4.0 in float implicitly. So everyone is aware about these things here, right? So let's start these things, right? How that is will work. Let's suppose we are going to minus 10 divided by 3, and this could be a expected questions for beginners, right? So what would be the output, right? So basically if we are going this, so this is the output, right? Minus 10 divided by 3. This is the absolute value. It will give absolute value, like integer part, not decimal part. Okay, so that will be 3. This is the syntax. Okay, if you want absolute value only, there is no float. And this is exponential, right? 5 double asterisk is 3, so 5 into 5 into 5, 5 into 5 25, 25 into 5 125. So output would be here 125. 10 modulus by 3. Modulus means remainder. If we will divide by 10 divided by 3, so that will come 10, 3 3 is 9 and 1 is a remainder, so output will come 1. Okay, so this is the way how that is working in arithmetic operator. And one more thing I would like to tell you, if you can make it here, that is the main question, minus 1, right? Okay, if we are dividing or if you want absolute value, so output will change. How? That is this, that is coming minus 4. This one output, basically if I am positive value, absolute value, so that is coming 3 inside this, right? So we can expect minus 3, but here it is coming this is a key point. If you are going to the next value, lower value, in case of the minus, right, so that will print this, right? It could be sometime asked. Okay, I hope I have explained arithmetic for a beginner perspective. Now I'm going for assignment operators, right? What could be the output of these type of the variables? Let's hold for a moment. So now come to the our, I would say, assignment like operators, right? So let's suppose a we have already defined here, right? A is equal to 10. Okay, so if we want A is equal to A plus 1. So output would be same, right? A is equal to A plus 1, A is equal to, let's so make it comment. So that is 11. Print A is equal to plus 1 and print A. So it will be work like it's same. And if we are talking about this, A is equal to A plus 1, that will also output is same, right? 11. And if you are talking about this, right, A multiplication, I mean exponential, assignment will work plus, minus, divide, exponential, everything, every operator will work, whatever the we discussed here, right? Okay, every operator will work in this scenario. So let's rerun. So that 11 and 11 exponential, 11 multiplied by 11 is 121. Okay, so I hope this is not a big thing. And now we are talking about these things, right? Comparison operators, right? This is the comparison operator example. Okay, so let's print B. First print B, that is the 10, right? Value is 10. Print ID of A. A is already 10. Okay, ID of A means memory address of A, and double equal to ID of B, memory address of B. So is it double, it is same, equal to? So yes, that is output true. Okay, if print A not equal to B, print A not equal to B, that is false, because A and B value is 10. A greater than B, no, that is the equal. A less than B, that is no, not less than, that is a equal, same value, so that is also false. Second, A less than B and 4 greater than 3. So it could be A already 10, B already 10, so that is true. Okay, and 4 greater than, sorry, A already value 10, B is 10, so A less than B, that is false. And operator, 4 greater than 3, yes, true. But and will work, output will work true and false when both condition is true. But it's, here is one condition true, one condition is false, so that will come false, right? A greater than B, that is false, or 4 less than 3, that is also false, so this is false. If we can say, make it 1 true, okay, so that will come in OR operator. If I talk, so one condition should be true, then answer will be true. If both will be false, then it's okay. So that is A greater than B, no, it's false. Or 4 greater than 3, yes, that is true. Okay, now if you want the same value is true, like okay, same, I just copy this and paste this, and I operator I use not, like, so this is true. But if I will run this again, execute this program, so that will be false. Okay, I hope comparison operator, so you are able to understand this, right? Let's come to the identity operators, and this is the most important things, right, in this, right? Let me comment it out, and I will say here identity operator, if I can explain more and more, right? Okay, so we have a variable is kk. I have taken this kk variable, that is value is 100. If I have assigned 1 equal to kk, so that is A value is also now is 100. So print A. Let's run first 3 second. So that is print A is coming 100. Now kk is A. So that is true. KK is A. That is actually comparing the memory address. Is and double equal to. That is the main difference. Double equal to is value. That will compare its value, and is only compare the memory address. So that is the main difference. So right now KK and A both pointing one memory address. So KK is A. I will show you ID of KK and ID of A. That is, so ID of A is 1304, ID of KK is 1304. So they are pointing one memory address, right? And if I'll print double equals A, so it's still same, right? Answer is still same, both. Basically we want, we need to do this, right? Only, but now I am changing 1.0. Value is still same, but memory address will be different. These two will be different, and these two answer will be different. Let's run it, right? What is the KK memory address? This is, and what is the A address? This is Y. It is now 1.0 into A, right? It's having a float, and difference will be like a memory address is just changed right now. KK and A, right? It's difference. So print KK is A. Print KK is A. KK is basically pointing the memory address. Right now memory address, both KK and A different. So that is false. Or KK double equal to A, that is pointing the value. Still KK value is 100, A value is 100, right? Okay, so that is, answer is true here. True and false. I hope you understand. I am able to explain last pending one, because this is the membership operator. Let me draw this and let me make it. This is also a memory address and all, also expected question for the platform engineer, cloud developers, and all Python perspective. We have a number, it's a list, right? So membership operator, like in, like we can not in or in, right? I have printed 0 in numbers. 0 does exist in numbers list, right? So that will output is false. Okay, true and false. If I will say 1 does exist in number, so yes, exist, that will true. So guys, this is the overall video of the Python operators. If you like this video, kindly do like and subscribe. If any question, just comment it out. I will be more than happy to answer your queries. Just explore my other playlist as well, basically. So it will be helpful for the learning perspective, because mostly in production related. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.